Hello there, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will compare two softwares that is Scalenut and Surfer SEO. Well, the links are in the description, make sure to check them out. So firstly, let's compare Scalenut versus Surfer SEO. So firstly, we have AI features. Scalenut is offering free plan while Surfer is not. Then, Scalenut is offering traffic analyzer and interlinking while Surfer not. Then, Scalenut is offering AI copywriting and also 24-hour support while Surfer is not. Now, if we talk about their pricing plan, so Surfer is offering $1,127 per month while Scalenut is offering only $79 per month. So according to budget, Scalenut is much cheaper than Surfer AI. Okay, so after that we have article writing. So in article writing, Scalenut is offering factual plagiarism, 5-minute article writer and no extra cost, where Surfer is only offering factual plagiarism and it takes over 20 minutes per article and you have to pay extra $29 per article. Now, if we talk about keyword planning, so Scalenut is offering SERP based clustering, high relevant cluster, and accurate real time keyword data, while Surfer is only offering accurate real time keyword data and you can search intent basis clustering and less relevant clusters. Next, if we talk about topic research, so Scalenut is offering detailed outline of top 30 competitors, social listening that is Google, Quora, Reddit, and competitors, and industry-based NLP. While Surfer is offering limited competitor content outline view, social listening only Google and competitors, and generic NLP. Now you can choose a software which fulfill your needs and also which suits your budget. So that brings to the end of the video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.